So here we have highest frequency 10,000 radian per second. You can choose any value more than 1000 radian per second. Means you can consider 2000, 3000, 4000, but here I am considering 10,000 radian per second just to simplify the calculation. So we have a lowest frequency 1 radian per second, we have highest frequency 10,000 radian per second, we have a first corner frequency 10 radian per second, and we have a second corner frequency 1000 radian per second. Now let us see how we can define the magnitude at each frequency. So in you can say last step we will define magnitude at each frequency. First at omega equal to omega L. So magnitude at omega equal to omega L means omega equal to omega L means 1 radian per second. We can calculate magnitude with the help of formula 20 log 10 base first term. First term is according to magnitude table. So from magnitude table you can write the value of first term. We have 1000 over j omega, and here we have omega equal to 1 radian per second. So we have 20 log 10 base magnitude of 1000 over j. So magnitude of j, you know, 1. So we have 20 log 10 base 1000. So we have answer 60 dB. This is magnitude at omega equal to omega L. Now let us see how we can calculate magnitude at first corner frequency. So magnitude at first corner frequency omega C1 or magnitude at 10 radian per second is calculated with the help of same formula. Means 20 log 10 base magnitude of first term. First term is magnitude of 1000 over j omega, but here we have omega equal to 10 radian per second. Omega 10 radian per second. So we have answer 20 log 10 base 1000 divided by j10, or we have 20 log 10 base 100. So we have magnitude at 10 radian per second, it is 40 dB. Now let us see how we can calculate magnitude at second corner frequency. We can calculate magnitude at second corner frequency or at 1000 radian per second with the help of a different formula. Formula is slope from omega C1 to omega C2. Slope from omega C1 to omega C2 into log of omega C2 over omega C1 plus magnitude at previous frequency, means magnitude at omega equal to omega C1. Now let us see how we can define slope from omega C1 to omega C2 from table. From magnitude table we have slope minus 40 dB per decade, but for previous term we don't have any slope. That's why For calculating magnitude at 1 radian per second, at 10 radian per second, we don't include slope from omega c1 to omega c2. So here we have slope from omega c1 to omega c2 means minus 40 log omega c2 means 1000, omega c1 means 10 plus magnitude at omega c1 already we calculated 40. So we have answer minus 80 plus 40 means minus 40 dB. Now let us see magnitude at omega L, at omega H. At omega L already we calculated, means magnitude at highest frequency means at 10,000 radian per second. We can calculate according to the formula. Now formula becomes slope from omega c2 to omega h.